Kikubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Ka company ka bana South Korea ka NF Co Limited kala ais ngabhas Tylli kor Pynbiang Lyer ni oksigen syak sorkar jela naga benda ban pendonkam haki Jaka ai jing Sumar jong sorkar. Kani ka company kala le ya kani lengba ka NF Healthcare Indian Private Limited New Delhi kabadai ka shnat traikam hakari India. Kinong mikmat jong ka NF Healthcare Indian Private Limited pakantup yau Georgian Wo ubadai Chief Executive Officer Mark Matthew ubadai Chief Operating Officer bat kiwei kelai kendu yau Menteri Ketenat Kakoit Kekia uba ELHEC Hasketriat haka arpa arterik rempang hajar arpuwei. Nakaliang Menteri Ketenat Kakoit Kekia uba ELHEC walapan pau kejing sngongu yakani ka company na South Korea kabala kloy benok senyang yakini kikor Pynbiang Lyer hakaba layoru ban pendonkam Shillong Civil Hospital. Ulaong bakini kikor Pynbiang Lyer kilayarap shisha hakapor ba jing Sumar kamtam hakapor badonkam kerki ban pelak ya kinongpang kibadon hapadeng kejing sitom jur namar kejing donkam ya Lyer. Nakaliang CEO Ujia John Wu ulaong baka company jungu ka kloy binya trailang bat kesorkar Meghalaya banang penklan ya gurkom ai jing Sumar bat ke NF Co Limited ka kloy ban ai ngau bha shu ya kini kibor Pynbiang Lyer kibala ban pentraikam habaro shisnem kini kikor Pynbiang Lyer hagi Jaka ai jing Sumar latip kum ka medical oxygen support system MOSS 80 balashna ha South Korea.
Jointly to save the life of people of Meghalaya. Saving life.
Saving life.
Yeah, saving life. And here all our friends came all the way from Korea to save the precious soul and the life of the people of Meghalaya. So we welcome. With your permission, can we start the proceeding? Thank you. At the outset, I'd like to thank our friends who have come all the way from South Korea. Through their representative, already they have installed the medical oxygen supply system in our state. That has happened in civil hospital. We have taken the report. It is very, very productive and also it is very effective. This is the report is taken from the civil hospital and also from the HSMI. So I welcome our friends who have come all the way. JJWO, who is that JJWO, our friend who have come all the way from South Korea. We welcome him. And also we have come John Park. He is also from the South Korea. And also we have two representatives from India. One is Pynbiang from Shillong. He is one of the local partner with Kompani, and also Mark Matthew, who have been here working with us with the health department for many months before. And through his initiative, we have already installed a few oxygen supply system in civil hospital, and also I welcomed them. So now, since they have come, they have not come only to do business here, even also to help the government, to our country, to our state, and also in our country. So they have already promised to send 10 more numbers of the medical oxygen supply system for the state of Meghalaya. For the entire country, they are going to supply 100 numbers.
See, initially what we have done, we installed as a beta version, we can say, as a starting phase, in two MOS 450 replica machines and one MOS 80, what we are right now partnering with. So we have found it out. It's not highly priced, number one. We are just cutting the price on the manpower and the overhead services. We're cutting the price, so whatever price X amount is coming down. And as far as what we are having a motto is saving lives. So these machines, what my CEO has said, that 10 machines we are just donating to the government, right? The balance or the prior, what has been there, has been spent by the government of Meghalaya, and they kept faith on us, and we stood to the expectations and we delivered.